In this video we are going to discuss about advanced home healthcare system. Using this system, the medical devices are used to monitor the healthcare patients according to their health conditions. According to the complexity of the patient, this system suggests a healthcare provider to visit the patient daily for a manual checkup and educational training for the patient's family members about the system and care plan. This system has two platforms, one for the healthcare provider and the other for the patient's relative to monitor the patient. Healthcare provider's platform is a big monitoring room setup that they can access from their home care center 24/7. Multiple patients can also be monitored using this system. Patient relative platform is an application for their mobile phones, and they will get the updates or notifications and live video monitoring 24/7. When there is an emergency condition, the connected device will activate an emergency mode and will notify the healthcare provider and patient's relative. The emergency response team will arrive at the location and will do the needful for the patient. This new system can change the concept of home healthcare system in the future.